Ke National Tobacco Control Program hak afai tarik naila ajar pesan kelap long ikjing rakhe ya ke tobacco free miklaya ban pelai ya kejela na kajing bam jing di Duma. DSP ba aiding do hak apakran hak program long ba kalong ke badon kam bandon ya kum gini program khnang ban pensap riang ban pensyai pai ba om tang jing keta ne na kajing ma ba mi haba bandon kam ya ki Duma nei don kam ban tipru ya ka an Sikret and other tobacco products act ajar apply long ba ka badon kam ha ban pensyai pai ba kalong halong jing sniu jong Duma nama ba bun ki samlam tak Sdang shua na ka jing di Duma bat ki sangop sa syakiwe pat ki jing di ba sniu kum kenja baru Droks habakran haloga an Cigarettes and other tobacco product acts ajar apply DSP long ba don kam ban pentri kam ya ka ai nama ba hapok ka ai kadon ya ka jing kendon kat kum ke section henreubi ke balakren halogi breu bat ki try dukan ki bade ki Duma hapo sis payat ka jing jingai na ki jaka puli na ki jaka hospital kin Sdang Kuna Tang aspa tengka ulang bakat kum keni kendon henreubi kinu bade ne di Duma hapo sis payat ka jing jingai na ki jaka puli ki jaka hospital ki Sdang Kuna ro Tang aspa tengka bat kadai ki jing dan Kuna ka baduna palat bat ladon kam ban wanra ya ka jing kela ya keni ka an hakane sengi lapan ku buram ro ya ki kena school ki samla puli na ki blok kleng jong ke jela
school shalom.
Now, when we talk about Kotpa, we know that it is a good act, but we also need for Kotpa to be amended. Why do I speak about amendment? Now, if you look at section 6B of Kotpa, section 6B talks about talks about shop owners selling tobacco products within 100 yards of educational institutions. It is an offense. Now, what is the penalty for it? It is up to 200 rupees. Now, when you talk about repeat offenders, it still remains up to 200 rupees. This act needs to be amended. Why? Because repeat offenders should have a higher penalty. Let's say second offense 10,000 rupees, third offense 1 lakh rupees. This, I'm telling you, will go a long way in ensuring that no shopkeepers sell tobacco products within 100 yards of any educational institution. The doctor showed how students are playing a part in spreading awareness. She also mentioned about the villagers in villages, how they are playing a part as well, their part as well. We need to understand that tobacco is considered to be a gateway drug. What is a gateway drug? Now, as students, those who choose to use tobacco will one day move towards smoking of marijuana, and some will move towards abusing or using of drugs like heroin, like cocaine, and so on.